Hi my loves, welcome back. Today we are covering how to manifest things into your life. If you enjoy this type of content, you should subscribe because here we explore spirituality and we use it to become the person that we dream of being. See, I'm outside today because I'm really tired of recording inside. Let's don't waste no time. I am all that I used to be. I invite you all to take a leap with me. The first thing we need to do to manifest things into our life, we need to set the intention. We need to say exactly what we want. We need to become clear with what we want, right? And to get this clarity, we need to write it down. So we're going to write it down. You're going to write down what you want in the present tense and be grateful it's already yours. I'm so happy and grateful that I live the life of my dreams. I'm so happy and grateful that I'm rich, successful, and I live an amazing life. I'm so happy and grateful. All my dreams have manifested. So you're going to state exactly what you want and be grateful for it now. Second step in manifesting things into your life, see it in your mind, visual in your mind of what you want. What type of experiences you will have? How would you feel? What would you be doing? What kind of experience would you be having? To keep seeing the images in your mind, this is why we create vision boards. So a vision board is basically a board with all the pictures of the things that you would like to see in your life, the things that you would like to manifest. If it's a luxury vehicle, a brand new house, new experiences, more travel, you would put that on your vision board and you will hang it somewhere that you can see it every single day. As soon as you wake up and when you're going to bed, you can see it. So beautiful here. Let's take a walk. I'm not sure if I mentioned that spiritual law that this works under is the law of attraction. So the law of attraction states that like attracts like. Whatever we are vibrationally, if we are love, if we are peace, if we are happiness, if we are good vibes, that's what we would attract. So our second step of using the vision boards, using visualization is very important. Law of attraction will then work for us. We would then attract the things that we want. Honestly, this walking and talking, it's not working. The third step, let me find a spot. Third step, we want to take an action that will bring you closer to your dreams. Every single day, you want to do something that would put you in alignment with the person that you want to be, to put you in alignment with the things that you want to manifest. The fourth step to manifest things into your life is simply letting it go. Give it up. Know that you have done your best, and once you do your best, that's good enough. Do your best, God will do the rest. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.